What if you could imagine, design, and create the perfect custom sofa family completely from scratch? In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to create a stunning, aesthetically pleasing parametric sofa model by applying the fundamental golden rules of parametrics. Be sure to check out the link provided below to get yourself to speed up. Let's not waste any time and dive straight into the modeling process. Okay, first we will click on new, select families, and there are different template files as we can see. So we will select the furniture template instead of generic model because furniture is suitable for our family. So click it, and now we will use reference plan and just draw it here and as well on other side, now below and as well the upside. Okay, now we will take the dimensions so we can assign a parameters for it. Okay, now click on dimensions and select both reference plans and use equality, and the same thing we will apply in the for the other reference plans. Okay, now we will use dimensions again, the left side. Now click on the dimension and assign the parameter. Suppose we use length or height or width, it's our choice. So click on other dimensions and use another parameters. Okay, now we will use the golden parametric rules and stretch the both reference plan, and now we'll click on family types and change the values, and we can see how it works. So the same things apply will for front elevation. Just draw a reference plan, assign dimensions, and just click on it and assign parameters like height. Press OK. Again, golden rules applied, and now we'll change the height of the sofa. Okay, now we will use again reference plan, assign the value, dimensions. Okay, now just click on other reference plan and assign a value. Don't forget to lock the dimensions. Now we will use a round shape, a circle here. Just give a value like 3 inches, 2 inches. The circle, and if we try to align, it will not work here because we need a center mark visible. For it, we click on and just click on edit extrusion, and now click on center mark visible. Now we will align it here and lock it. Again, click on reference plane and the center mark visible and lock it. Now we can use its dimensions. Click on finish edit, and now we will use 4 inches extrusion, and now finish edit. Here we can see it's a size. Now we will use a mirror plane. We will use mirror for it, and again we will select the both round shape, and again we will take the mirror, click. Here we will use reference plane to lock the shape for future purpose. Here you can see if we align it, it will not work. So we will have to delete it and reassign a reference plane with very carefully. So same thing apply on other side. Again, extrusion, and just click on this. Now extrusion and set the reference plane above from the round shapes, so we can build the structure in the right way. We'll take the dimensions just 2 inches. The same thing we will on other side, we will apply on other size. Same value we will use 2 inches, and just lock the dimensions. Don't forget to lock. It's the part of golden rules. The same value we will use for both and lock it because it's the part of golden parametric rules. Now click on OK. Now we will use the sketch here and lock all sides of the lines. Be careful and don't forget it. Just click on, and now we will take 6 inches offset. Here in the bottom we don't need it, so just trim the lines as well in the bottom. Okay, unjoin element and select a new line and lock again. Just align and lock again. Make sure every line should be locked here. Okay, take the dimensions. The part we have done with the reference plane we will use the dimensions and then lock these dimensions. So it worked perfect. We can assign a parameter as thickness. Later we can use it. We can change it, and the same parameter will label from the right side. Press on finish edit mode, and now we can see a shape. Here we will use 3 feet value, 4 inches from the bottom part, because they are we will use 3 feet, and from the bottom its upper side, as we can see. Now if we want to round shape, because it's very simple, so we will change our sketch now. Just use the fillet command and put a value. We can change different values according to our need, and the values we will look suitable and beautiful. So change on your demand, on your imagine. So the same thing apply on both sides and set a different values. So if you will use 1/6, it looks much better. 1/3, 1/7, 1/6. Okay, 1/4, 1 inches, 1 feet, and 4 inches on other end as well. Okay, now just log the same thing we will apply on other end, because it's the golden parametric rules, and we will have to carry it. If we will not use, we will face different errors, different issues. So this is a static shape. Now we will use the parameters. Just click on family types, the round spot. Just will assign a value. This is a called a foot distance parameter. Click OK. Now we will open the family types, and we will change the value of foot distance, like 1 feet 9 inches, and apply. That's see, it's okay, it's fine. change the value of any width. Okay, it's fine here. Just click on the right side and check. Now we will use the white form, white extrusion, and click a shape. Just use the arc and assign and click a shape that is suitable for it. Now just click a shape to close this arc. We can also make it parametric, but normally we don't need it. So simply just click on finish edit mode. So first we will use extrusion and just click finish edit mode. Now we will adjust the size of wide form -4 feet applied. Okay, we can adjust the shape. Now we can use a different value. Okay, the shape of the sofa has quite changed. Now use again extrusion and pick a plane. Top surface of the round shape. Just use the line. Now we'll trim the shape. Okay, just click on finish edit mode. Check the shape. Now adjust the size like 8 inches. Just apply. Okay, now click on create extrusion and pick lines again. The same things we will do here, and now we'll use offset just 1 inches for the bottom. Okay, now we will use the delete this line. We will delete this line and use a trim. Just click here and same apply here. Okay, now we'll use the line so we can show the cushion in different in sizes, a little distance, so we can show the cushion with little difference. Just check the size of the sofa inside, and now we'll make the calculation and select a size here. This is the perfect size to create the cushion unjoint, unjoint again. Now we'll use the line to complete the shape. The same thing here. And one more thing, we need a middle cushion. So we will draw the shape here with a little distance, and we will adjust the size after it draw once. Okay, just use the align command. The same thing applied above shape, and now we will use the dimensions and set smaller dimensions on both sides, like 0.25 here, and the same we will use the dimensions for this cushion now, and select it and change the value 0.25 inches. Now after, make sure we'll click on finish edit mode and see and change the values again. Minus 1 feet. Now adjust the value again. Minus 8 inches from the bottom. 8 inches from the bottom and 15 inches above the cushion thickness. Okay, this is our model is ready now. Just shade it and can see its aesthetic sofa model. Now we check its parametric again, as we will make it parametric because we did not use the reference plans for the sketch. If we change the value of the sofa, it will not work obviously. Okay, after complete this process, I will make sure again, and let's see how it works. Just use the reference plans for each line and log the values. Don't forget any time. Remember each time and apply each time the golden parametric rule, and log the dimensions by using reference plans and align with. Also use we use can we also we can use the dimensions and then log the dimensions. This is a way of control the sketch and fully parametric model. If we not apply the golden parametric rule, definitely we will see errors or different situations because of missing parameters or unlock the sketches give different results. So now we will use another reference plan for the top line sketch. So align again and click on the sketch line and lock it. Make sure every sketch line or every reference that should be logged. If not, we can use the dimensions and then we will log the dimensions so we will not face any kind of trouble. This is a mandatory part of parametric family, a parametric model. So don't forget any time, apply each time and log the values. Here we will create a parameter for back quotient. We just will log the values so the reference plans move accordingly. So after double check all the values, all the reference plans should log. So we will see a perfect parametric family. Okay, just log it again. The same thing apply with the bottom reference plans here and just log it here. Now it should work fine, but and other part we will have to control that is bottom part because bottom is separate, so we will adjust the white part as well because when we will change the value it will move in a range, so we can use different ranges like see. Okay, apply 10 feet. Oh yes, the bottom part we can see it doesn't move because it does not become parametric. So we will use here reference plan and log the sketch. This is the thing I repeatedly tell you, don't forget to log your sketch by using reference plans, and sometimes you need to log values. Log, sometimes you need to log your dimensions so it will work in a perfect manner without any issues. The value should be same, so we will use unlock and correct the dimension and lock it again. For the bottom line, we don't need it. Okay, just try it now. Click on family types and use different values for now, like 8 feet. Okay, fine. 7 feet. Very good. It's quite fine. Even 9 feet. And if you put other values, it will work perfect without any issue. Now it's a parametric aesthetic model. Thank you for watching.